Every year, as the monsoon fades and September arrives, something eerie unfolds in the small village of Jatinga, Assam. As night falls, birds, migratory and local alike, plunge to their death in large numbers. Drawn inexplicably toward lights, they crash into trees, buildings, and the ground, as if possessed. But why? Is it geomagnetic forces? Fog? A natural suicide ritual? Scientists are baffled. What adds to the mystery? It happens only on moonless nights, only between 6 to 9 p.m., and only in a 1.5-kilometer stretch of the village. Locals whisper of spirits. Others call it nature's glitch. Whatever the truth is, Jatinga remains one of India's darkest natural mysteries, a place where even the skies seem haunted.